Hello there. Welcome to my channel, The Everyday Miracle. In this short video, I'm going to answer many of the most common questions related to doTERRA's lavender essential oil. The first question that I get a lot is, what is a lavender essential oil good for? Where do you put lavender essential oil on your body? And is lavender essential oil good for sleep? I'm going to help you feel confident when using your essential oils. If you truly want to grow your knowledge about lavender essential oil blend, then keep watching this video and make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. So to get started, hey there, I am Denise Ari, and I love using and educating others about essential oils. Lavender essential oil is known for its calming and balancing properties. doTERRA's lavender essential oil is distilled from the freshly harvested flower tops of the true lavender plant, also known as English lavender, from lavender farms in Bulgaria, France, and other areas of the world. Although often used at bedtime, lavender essential oil is equally calming during the day. Lavender is popularly used to ease feelings of tension and encourage feelings of mental clarity and focus. So lavender essential oil supports the immune system, the nervous system, and the cardiovascular system. Used topically, lavender can help keep the skin and scalp looking clean and healthy. It can also soothe minor skin irritations and bites. Lavender helps ease the feelings of anxiousness and can be particularly calming during times of stress. It evokes feelings of self-awareness and relaxation. To use lavender essential oil topically, mix it well with a carrier oil of your choice. Test the mixture on a small, inconspicuous area of your skin, like your forearm, before applying it somewhere sensitive, like your face. If after 24 hours you see redness or irritation, don't use the mixture. Now I would like to share a few different ways you can use lavender essential oil. The first is for restful sleep. Diffuse lavender oil at bedtime to calm your mind and create a peaceful environment. Take internally to reduce anxious feelings. Use it in cooking to soften citrus flavors and to add a flavorful twist to marinades, baked goods, and desserts. You can add lavender to an evening bath to soak away the cares of the day, or put a drop on your pillow at night. Freshen your linen closet, mattress, car, or the air by combining lavender with water in a spray bottle. Keep a bottle of lavender on hand to soothe occasional skin irritations. So are you wondering just how do you use essential oils? Well, there are 3 common ways that essential oils are used. And the first is by diffusing. This is the fastest way to get oils into the brain. You just place 4 or 5 drops into a diffuser of your choice and turn it on. The second is internally. Add 1 drop of essential oil to 4 drops of water or liquid and drink. That's it. And the third is topically. And this is the most common way to use essential oils. When you apply 1 to 2 drops of oils with a carrier oil such as fractionated coconut oil and apply it to the desired area where you're looking for relief. Now keep in mind, some people, there is the possibility of skin sensitivity. So that is why we recommend diffusing with oils with a carrier oil. It cuts down the strength of the oil. Now also keep in mind to keep all oils out of the reach of children. And if you are pregnant, nursing, or under a doctor's care, consult your physician before using the essential oils. Avoid contact with eyes, inner ears, and sensitive areas. And avoid sunlight or ultraviolet rays for up to 12 hours after first applying an essential oil, just to make sure that you don't have any sort of breakout due to the sunlight. So if you are ready to use lavender essential oil, visit theeverydayMiracle.com/ready-to-go or email me at denise@theeverydaymiracle.com. Discover how great it is to use lavender essential oil. And you're going to be so happy you did. If you enjoyed learning about lavender essential oil today and know of someone who could use lavender essential oil, share this video with them and let me know in the comments below how you are using lavender essential oil. Thank you so much for joining me on my channel here today, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up. Also check out my other essential oil videos, and if you want to know when new videos are coming out, subscribe to my channel. And I'll leave you with this. Always remember, you are divinely protected and divinely directed by Spirit.